How to use ClickUp Boards. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use ClickUp Boards to do product management. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up clickup.com. If you have already signed up, then you don't need to sign up, but the signing up process is really easy. ClickUp is world's leading project management software that allows you to manage your tasks and get more productive. We can create our own workspaces, and then in our workspaces we have our own statuses, lists, and then each list has different tasks. In ClickUp, we get board view and we can organize and manage our boards that help us create our own productive workspace. And that's what I will show you today, that how to manage and create ClickUp boards. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply select a space where you want to create a board. So let's go with a very simple space, this one right here. So this is my workspace right here, and I have opened up the board view. In board view, what happens is you will be able to find different statuses that we can simply create. This is one status: to do, then open, not started. Then we have to build, to send, submitted, inactive. You can of course create different statuses according to you. You can simply go right here and rename a status as well. So that is how you simply create statuses. Once a status is created, we can simply go ahead and create different tasks in a status. Like this one. This is known as ready, and it has 7 tasks right here, like the names, but the total tasks are going to be 5. So what I'm going to do now is to create a new task in this status. I will create a new board. Simply click on task and add your task name. Click enter and a new task will be added. You can see right here. Now I can simply click on the task and it will open up the task for me. I can now go ahead and change the status of the task, add description right here, change the name, add a tag, add a subtask, add assignee. I can set priorities, then I can share my task, created date. Then we have time track option as well. And I can simply go ahead and track time for this task with the time track option on ClickUp. We can of course add if it's billable or not, and then we can also go ahead and add different settings. Then we have due date option, and we can add a due date for our task that we're creating. So this is going to be the due date. Now simply close the tab and a new task is created. This is how you simply create a task in a status. You can see right here, on each status in each list, we will be able to find the total number of tasks in that list. To send has 12 tasks. To build has 2 tasks. So this is actually one of the very good features we get. Then we have submitted, it has 28 tasks, and it will give me an idea that how many tasks are to do and how many tasks I have done. Then you can see right here, if I want to move a task, it's a simple drag and drop. Let's say that I want to move this task from to start to pending. So what I will do is I will simply go ahead and drag it. Let's go with completed. Your task is moved. Similarly, I can grab this task and I can drop it anywhere I want to, maybe here. So I'll just place it here and it will be added. And the number is changed above. For example, failed tasks are 4 and occurring are 9. If I'll move a task from failed, then there will be 3 tasks in failed, and I can simply move them here and you will see that failed tasks are now 3. So that is how we simply move tasks on ClickUp. It's a very easy thing to do. Then we have all of the options right here. We can create a task immediately with this option right here. This is a quick add option that allows you to add a task. Then we have a stopwatch option, record option, and reminders. That is how you simply go ahead and create different tasks, add reminders, and more. If we click on these 3 dots, then we will get the option of rename task, edit task, create new task, archive all tasks in this column, select all, or collapse. If I click on collapse, then this is closed like this. Then we have different views available, such as list view, and then we are also getting a calendar. In calendar view, I will be able to manage my tasks according to different dates. We can set due dates and we will have an idea that when a task is created or when it is due. Then we have a document view. We have table, and we can also add more than one views on ClickUp. When it comes to the share option, you can share your board publicly with a link, or you can get a private link as well. Or if you want to invite a team member, you can simply go ahead and click on the invite option, and you can simply add your team members with their email address. Once you have your team members, then you will be able to assign a task to any of the team members in your team. And that is how we simply assign tasks to each other on ClickUp. When it comes to ClickUp, we get a lot of different options and tools to customize our boards that we have actually created. You can create a task from this option right here. Then we can also add a task if we click right here on new task. And then there's another way to add a new task, and that is this option right here. It allows you to quickly add a new task to your selected list that you want to go for. And with this, we have this option right here. And in here, we get record clip option, track time, reminder, notepads, new documents, calendars, and task tray. I can simply go ahead and now, just add them right here, pin them, and it will allow me to record a clip or maybe add a notepad to my tasks that I am creating right here. With the document feature, I can just simply go ahead and add any document to my tasks right here that I'm creating on ClickUp. We can simply add links to our description and add subtask as well. You can see right here, this task actually has 8 subtasks, and you can see right here, we can check them once we're done with these, or we can simply star them too. We can actually go ahead and assign subtasks to different people. Let's say that I assign this task to myself, but I want to assign the subtasks to someone else. So I will simply go right here in the assignee section. And now I'm going to go ahead and assign it to one of my team members. I will simply add them right here. There you go. So this is how we simply assign different tasks to different people. If we talk about the automation, you can simply go ahead and click on automate. It allows you to add different automations, such as like when you can set a time, and then you can also change the assignees or add a action. You simply add a condition first, then you add an action and create, and this way you will be able to save a lot of time. We can simply move tasks, add statuses, creation, dates, priorities, and other with automation option. We can also add our, Calendly or email right here in this section where we will be able to automate our work using ClickUp. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use ClickUp Boards. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.